On the 24th of June 2019, during the deliberations at the Caribbean Court of Justice, it was agreed to and accepted by all parties involved in that process that 1, Guyana is a sovereign state. 2, our constitution has provisions to address the circumstances like the one facing us. And 3, the politicians will be ultimately the ones to resolve our crisis. The Guyanese politicians, that is. And in the words of the president of the Caribbean Court of Justice, we are not politicians here, and we can't impose anything on Guyana. But before the end of that day's sitting, the president of the said court set a date for the issuance of orders to be handed down to us, outrageous and vexatious to the spirit of Guyanese patriotism. In my humble view, I believe yesterday should have been the last and final day that the Caribbean Court of Justice should have been given the luxury to sanction in our affairs of governance. It breaks my heart to see our leaders demoralize themselves and the nation's honor at the Caribbean Court of Justice. But since our leaders like to be ordered, I have a few to be handed down. Since I am a Guyanese living in Guyana and would directly be affected by any of the outcomes. 1, I hereby order and direct that the President should issue an order convening Parliament to address the present crisis with an aim to resolve the impasse as stipulated in our Constitution. I further order and direct that this charade in the presence of the Caribbean Court of Justice stopped immediately, which is bringing much embarrassment to our nation.